He finished 6th at the American trials, but got in through the back door because the American champion Donovan Brazier has a wild card to Doha. Is the very good Bosnian Amel Tuka. Well, I'm just wondering whether this could be the first 1, 2, 3, 4 for either superpower. The Europeans look very, very strong in this race. Fairly gently around the bare end, and then they'll break for the inside. This may not be the fastest race, but every European in this will really want to impress because there's bragging rights at stake here. Schott and Tuke have met each other many times over the Diamond League. Jamie Webb, really a very much up-and-coming talent, and got 2nd at the European Indoor Championships back in Glasgow in March. So Schott leading it now. That's an unfamiliar position. He likes to come through strongly at the end. Tuke following him and watching his every move. And this is going to be pretty quick for a championship race. 54:30. We're used to seeing 49s, 50s and 51s on the Diamond League circuit. This isn't a one-day meeting. This is a head-to-head between the US and Europe, and every point counts. Coming up on the outside is Downs. Harris also doing well. So the moment though is Schott of Europe and Poland, followed by Tuke of Bosnia and Europe. Harris in 3rd at the moment. Jamie Webb now starting to motor and come through as well. We know Webb has got a fast finish, but he's going to have to do it the long way round because he's Schott really holding on, but Tuke now coming through. Tuke's got the extra gear, and Tuke has got himself in front. There's half a metre to spare between Amel Tuka and Adam Schott. So it's Europe 1 and 2. 1:46.77.